In this video, I'll explain what is OpenRouter and how you can use OpenRouter to get AI API keys for free. So basically, whenever you try to get API key from any AI tool such as ChatGPT, you'll go to OpenAI, and in this API section, you create a new secret code and you will use that in your code. The problem with this method is you can only access ChatGPT models. You cannot access other models such as Gemini, Grok or Claude. This is where exactly OpenRouter comes. OpenRouter gives you a single point of contact, that is a single API key using which you can interact with all models, that too for free. So firstly, create OpenRouter account by signing up with your Gmail. Once you created account, click on Get API, and here you can create a new API key using which you can access all the free models that OpenRouter is providing. So quickly create a new API key. Once you created API key, copy this API key and save it safely, because you can only see that API key once. If you lost, you have to create a new API key again. So keep it safely in some file or in your code base. So now this API key has become an entry point to access all the models that OpenRouter is providing. Now click on models. Here you can find a lot of AI models which are free versions as well as paid versions. And it is all up to you to use the paid versions or the free versions. On the left side of the panel, you can see an option called input modalities, using which you can find out which kind of model you want to use, whether it is a text input model, image input model, file, audio or video. I choose a text input model for now. And if you scroll down, you can see an option called prompt pricing. Using this option, you can filter out all the free AI models that OpenRouter is providing. So drag down this bar to free option. If you scroll down a little, you can see an option called series. This is used to filter out which series of models you want to use, whether it is a GPT model, Claude model, Gemini, Grok, and a lot of options you can find. So currently Claude and Gemini, these are not providing the free versions in OpenRouter. So I'll choose Gemma. Now click on quick start. You don't have to create API key here because we have already created that API key before. So to use this model, just use that API key that we have created before. Once you scroll down, here you can find the code snippets using which you can access the models. For now, I'll choose Python, and I will copy this code and I'll paste it in my VS Code. I'll replace this API key with my API key that I have created before. And that's it. Just run the code, it will work. So basically this is helpful whenever you try to integrate AI capabilities into your website or into your project. So that is all about OpenRouter and the way you can get AI API keys for free from the OpenRouter platform. Follow this channel to get more information like this.